if you are seeing 403 forbidden error messages on Google Chrome, then here are the fixes for you. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. The first thing is to go to the search bar and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator, click on yes. Then you have to type some commands over here. You will get these commands from the description of this video, so check it out. Type ipconfig space / flushdns and hit enter. After that, the next command we have to type is netsh space winsock space reset and then hit enter. Now once you have done this, you can close this window out and see if that fixes your issue. If it is still not working, then the next method is with control panel. Go to the search box and type control panel, open it, and in view by select large icons and then find network and sharing center, and here you will see the available connections in your PC. Just click on your Wi-Fi name, go to properties, scroll a bit down till you find this internet protocol version 6. Just uncheck it and click on OK. Go to properties again and then select internet protocol version 4 and select properties and click on use the following DNS server addresses and type these numbers over here: 8.8.8.8 in preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 on alternate DNS server, and click on OK. Click on close and click on close. You can now close the control panel and check if that fixes your problem. If not, then open Google Chrome and from the right top corner you will see 3 dots. Click on it and find settings and click on it. You can then click on reset settings from the left menu. Click on restore settings to their original defaults. It will provide you a confirmation message. Just click on reset settings and check if that solves your problem. If not, then there is a final fix for you. For that, go to settings from the search bar, open it, click on network and internet, click on advanced network settings and click on network reset under more settings, and here you will see network reset. Just click on this reset now button. It will ask if you want to reset your network settings. Click on yes and this should solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.